What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the total market cap of all of the different cryptocurrencies and comparing it to one of the very first cycles in Bitcoin. Before I get started though, if you're not a subscriber and you really enjoy these videos, make sure that you hit the subscribe button right now because I'm dedicated to uploading 5 videos a week, just like this one, to keep you guys updated and posted inside of the markets. So without further ado, let's get straight into the analysis. So on the left hand side, I have the total market capitalization. This is all of the different cryptocurrencies combined as calculated by TradingView. Now what's really interesting about this comparison that I have going on right here is actually market cycle analysis. This is one of the things that I teach and one of my primary methods of predicting the markets. Maybe you're somebody that has been wondering how to time the cycles, how you can know when to confidently take big positions, get ready for 50, 100x gains, and be able to take out of the market without leaving the money in and then getting wrecked in a bear market or buying too late so that you end up FOMOing into the top of the cycle. And so as you guys can see on the right hand side, I have Bitcoin cycle right before 2017 happened. So this is kind of the 2014, 2015, 2016, 2013, and 14 cycle. It was multiple years long. But as you guys can see, just like how XRP in my video I made the other day has a first sell-off and then a massive parabolic run and then a bottom pattern right here and then the beginning of a massive uptrend, we also get the same pattern with the total market capitalization. So we have a first sell-off pattern right here. We have your blow off top and then you finally get your bottom pattern right here. And then the market is establishing an uptrend, currently actually breaking resistance and establishing our first serious higher high and higher low pattern. As you guys can see, both of them were heavily accumulated from a volume perspective all through these periods of time, especially as the bull market started. You guys can see that a lot of volume has been coming into the current cycle, and there were some pretty big spikes of volume as well in the cycles that happened in Bitcoin before it really went parabolic. And this is what I was talking about when I say parabolic, you guys. As you can see, I have this black line drawn in the background on the total market capitalization, and the prices are getting faster and faster. There's still dips, there's still pumps. The market, of course, is moving. There's even periods of time where the market is moving up, but it's not moving up instantly. It's kind of accumulating and moving up or pushing up, kind of like how it did right here. And in those periods, you guys, you can expect the market to be kind of choppy. So there might be days where you want to panic sell or try to trade all of the swings. You're not going to be able to predict what every single day that it dips 10 or 20%. These are more opportunities for adding to your bags if you don't already have bags, or buying in, or adding to your bags if you're already in a position, or buying a bag if you aren't in on that coin. So there's going to be a lot of days where you actually get those 10-20% drops. So be prepared for those. But overall, I expect the trend to be very strong on the upside, and just a reminder to be playing the big picture trend, because overall this market could trend up for a couple years pretty easily, a year or even longer. 1-2 years easy. And in that period of time, there's going to be hundreds of opportunities to be making a lot of money. But the biggest opportunity really is right now, and really was in 2019 and 2020, all through this year. There's been massive opportunity, and the opportunity is really big while we are still under this all-time high. It's really big when you break out too, because it's actually crazy when you break resistance. This actually does multiple cycles after that and keeps trending higher and higher and higher. So there's actually going to be a lot of market cycle, time to play the trend. But overall, I just want to remind you guys that these cycles definitely do top out at some point, and you want to be getting in well, we're under the previous all-time high, just like this, because Bitcoin, when Bitcoin went up, it broke its previous all-time high right here, and then it went to 20,000 per coin, and this previous all-time high was at about 1,100 per coin. Well, the new local bottom for Bitcoin in the new cycle was at around 3,000. So even though it didn't test this level right here, this previous all-time high, it didn't even test it when it found a new bottom in the new cycle, it still got pretty close to it. So you really do want to buy as much as possible under the previous all-time highs, because those previous all-time highs are going to be relatively close to where the new bottoms come after the next tops of the next cycle. And so if you can understand that one thing and then position yourself right now for the majority of this cycle, you can really make not only a lot of money investing that big trend, playing that big trend and getting a nice percentage from the confirmation of these lows out to a confirming top. You can make a lot of money in that time period, but there's also going to be a lot of projects like new ICOs, just different things that you can do. And also new developing technologies always have new things that you can't even foresee that pop up that allow you to make money, like staking, like all of the different things that are going around right now. And so this is kind of, I just want to let you guys know big things are coming in the cycle. I'm super excited about it. From a technical perspective, things are really setting up nicely. From a market cycle perspective, they're both perfect market cycles, ABC corrections, establishing their uptrends, volume coming in, lots of big money. And this is really the time to be in crypto. If you're buying right now, you are a revolutionary and you are a visionary as well, because you can see what others can't see. A lot of people don't understand what's right in front of them. You know, there's a lot of attention and focus in other directions in the world. But if you're just tuning into the cryptocurrency space and looking at this, there's a lot of excitement to be had and a lot of positivity to connect yourself with. So super excited about the total market cap. Definitely going to be well over $1 trillion in the future. In the last cycle, as far as combining all of the different coins together on coin market cap, we reached pretty close to 800 billion in market cap for all the cryptos, which is really small considering the world money supply is, you know, hundreds of trillions of dollars. So there's so much wealth inside of the world. So crypto only hitting 800 billion kind of gives you an idea of how much room there is from a dollar perspective for the total market cap. We could be multi-trillion in this cycle very, very easily, and even more in total market capitalization. So there's money to be made. Super excited and thankful to be part of this community, to be posting entries inside of the Discord. Just helped a few new members get in yesterday, actually, and I'm going to be helping one get in today that just barely purchased. So if you guys are interested in the VIP, so you can get more details on price targets and updates with the coins that I'm personally taking, kind of like a journal of my portfolio of my trades, then definitely shoot me a direct message or an email on Discord or Gmail. Links are in the description, and I can get you set up inside of that exclusive group today and really help you accelerate your learning and help you with your portfolio, your investing goals. You can share what your goals are inside of the group so everybody knows, and we all help each other achieve them. So make sure that you reach out to me and get set up today. If you guys got value out of this video, share it with your friends. Hit the like button for me. If you're not a subscriber and you liked the video, hit up that subscribe button. I upload 5 days a week, and I have a podcast with DIY investing. Shout out to him as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I love and appreciate you guys and look forward to seeing you in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.